in Paris.
Speaking of good food, they feed dogs a bucket of scraps in the courtyard every day. We need to get a hold of that bucket.
Yeah, but how?
Don't worry about it. Just use that nose of yours to find the other rats in the courtyard. They know all the details. But remember, beware of the dogs.
Dogs. Great.
So Remy left the secret life of the country behind him and came to Paris, where life is much more, how do you say, complicated.
Remy, there you are. Cousteau's restaurant is over there, just a few meters away. That's the good news. And the bad news?